Are you sick and tired of the same old browsers? Looking for something fresh, fast, and packed with features? Then you might have heard people talking about Microsoft Edge and its latest updates. But what if we told you there's a lot more to Edge than meets the eye? In this video, we're going to do the hard work for you. We've tested it out and analyzed the results so you don't have to. So sit back, relax, and let's find out once and for all. Is Microsoft Edge really the best browser for you? Now, let's jump right into it. Here's one of the biggest questions that have been going around. Is Edge really just a rebranded Chrome? Well, not anymore. It's not to say that Edge doesn't have some basis in Chromium. After all, both Edge and Chrome use this open source framework as their base. However, over the past couple of years, Microsoft has put in a lot of work to bring its own functionalities to the table. And thanks to these efforts, Edge now stands out as a fully capable browser that isn't just a copy of Chrome. And believe me, I'm going to show you just how much work they've put in. But first, I want to tackle another burning question. What exactly is new with Edge anyway? Well, here's where things get interesting. Edge has undergone a remarkable transformation from its humble beginnings as a simple Chromium-based browser. Now, under the hood, Microsoft has infused Edge with its own set of innovations, including seamless integration with Windows. And guess what? It works like a charm. Need to copy a link to an image? Just right-click and boom, done. Want to quickly pull up a website's terms and conditions? Easy peasy. My favorite feature, hovering over a coupon code and having it automatically applied during checkout. Say goodbye to those pesky manual entries. But wait, there's more. Edge comes with a powerful built-in PDF viewer. No more juggling tabs and trying to figure out which PDF viewer works best. With Edge, you can read, annotate, and edit PDFs without leaving your browser window. And here's where things get even cooler. Edge is embracing the AI revolution. Tools like ChatGPT are now seamlessly integrated, offering text summarization, intelligent search suggestions, and a whole lot more. It's like having a personal assistant right in your browser. Now, before we dive deeper into this topic, allow me to introduce myself. I am a tech enthusiast who's been diving deep into the world of software and technology for quite some time now. If you're into all things tech, consider subscribing so you never miss out on our latest updates. Let's get back to the topic at hand. The question still remains, though. Is Microsoft Edge really the best browser out there? To answer that, we need to take a closer look at how it stacks up against its main rivals. So let's compare its performance, features, and overall user experience with the big players in the game like Google, Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, and Apple Safari. Starting with performance, Microsoft Edge has come a long way in optimizing its speed and resource usage. According to recent benchmarks, Edge ranks high in terms of responsiveness and stability, giving users a smooth browsing experience. Compared to Chrome, which historically has been the speed demon of browsers, Edge has closed the gap significantly. Both browsers perform very similarly across various tasks, but Chrome still holds a slight advantage in loading times. However, when it comes to resource consumption, Edge has a clear win. It tends to use less memory and CPU power, resulting in better battery life and faster overall system performance, especially on lower-spec systems. This is a huge deal for laptop users who rely on battery power or have limited system resources. Next, let's talk about security. Keeping your data and personal information safe online is paramount, and all the major browsers have stepped up their game in this department. All of them have robust security features, regularly updating to patch vulnerabilities and protect against online threats. However, Microsoft Edge has some unique tricks up its sleeve. Its built-in AI-powered protection offers real-time threat detection, phishing prevention, and website safety ratings, providing an extra layer of security for its users. Okay? So what about the user experience? Well, that's where Microsoft Edge really shines. As we've already discussed, it has a clean, modern interface that is easy on the eyes and intuitive to navigate. It also has excellent compatibility with various websites and web applications, ensuring a smooth browsing experience across the board. Plus, Edge is highly customizable. Users can personalize their experience by adjusting settings, adding extensions, and choosing from various themes. This level of customization allows users to tailor the browser to their specific needs and preferences. So now let's talk about the AI features that are taking Edge to the next level. Microsoft Edge integrates seamlessly with tools like ChatGPT, allowing users to generate realistic text, obtain summaries of web pages, and explore new ideas through conversational interactions. It's like having a digital assistant that can help with writing, research, and brainstorming. These AI capabilities give Edge a significant edge over other browsers, providing users with a more interactive and efficient browsing experience. All right, so we've covered a lot of ground already. But the question still remains, is Microsoft Edge really the best browser for you? Well, here's the thing. There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. The best browser for one person may not necessarily be the best for another. It all depends on your individual needs, preferences, and how you plan to use the browser. However, I can offer a few suggestions that might help you decide. Firstly, if you're a Windows user, Edge is a no-brainer. It seamlessly integrates with your operating system, offering a consistent and efficient experience across apps and services. Additionally, if you're a student or a researcher, Edge's AI features can be a game changer. Tools like ChatGPT can assist with writing assignments, brainstorming ideas, and summarizing research papers, saving you valuable time and effort. And let's not forget about professionals. Edge's robust features and compatibility make it an excellent choice for business users who need to work on various web applications and platforms. Its secure environment and AI capabilities ensure that you can work efficiently without worrying about security threats or spending time learning a new platform. Content creators will also appreciate Edge's capabilities. Whether you're a blogger, graphic designer, or video editor, Edge's AI features can streamline your workflow and boost your creativity. Imagine generating ideas for your next project or having an AI tool summarize lengthy research articles that you need to cite in your work. Finally, let's not forget about casual users. If you're someone who browses the web for fun or to stay connected with friends and family, Edge's user-friendly interface and AI capabilities will make your experience more enjoyable. Imagine having an AI assistant help you find the perfect gift for your loved ones, or having AI-generated images to spice up your social media posts. And here's the bottom line. Microsoft Edge has come a long way from being just another Chromium-based browser. It has evolved into a powerful, innovative, and user-friendly browser that can cater to the needs of diverse user groups. While it may not be the fastest browser on the market, it offers a compelling combination of features: performance, security, View QA, and AI capabilities that make it stand out from the crowd. If you're still on the fence about whether to try Edge, I challenge you to give it a shot. Download the browser, explore its features, and see how it fits into your workflow. You might just be surprised at what you can accomplish with Edge. And hey, if it turns out that Edge isn't for you, you can always go back to your previous browser. But I'm confident that once you experience the power of Edge, you won't regret the switch. All right, folks, that wraps up our exploration of Microsoft Edge and its latest updates. What are your thoughts? Do you think Edge is the best browser for you? Let us know in the comments below. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.